Our Small Home Life. I am Haley. I really wanted to share with you the kitchen transformation, but I forgot to film the process. So my fault. I have photos, I have a post of the whole process that's going to be going up, but I didn't forget to film the tile process, guys. So we are going to be installing the tile backsplash. So I wanted to bring you along with this process, let you see sort of a glimpse of it right now before it gets started. The other thing that we're doing is I don't want to cut tile. I don't know how to do tile. I have never done anything with actual real tile before. We have friends who know how to do that, and eventually we will hire them to come in and do the real tile backsplash. But in the meantime, we are actually going to be doing a peel and stick tile backsplash. So this is the backsplash that I decided to go with. This is by Tic Tac Tile. It is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. They do not even know we exist. But what I wanted to do is show you why I chose this one quickly before we get into it. Now, I really wanted one that had a sort of a gray grout look. I didn't want that white on white. We do have obviously a ton of white in here, but we do have the gray walls. So I wanted to really bring those two together. And I actually thought that contrast would work well with the black hood that we chose. We had originally purchased a stainless steel hood, and at the last minute, I just changed my mind and we had to exchange the stainless steel after the black came in. Because I decided that I really wanted the hood to match the hardware in our hardware in the kitchen, and I also thought it went really well with the black accenting that is on our stove. So without further ado, let's get into the peel and stick tile process. I will take you along the way. Hopefully it's as easy as I have seen it be, and I will touch base with you at the end. And here's a glimpse now at our completed kitchen. Obviously you saw through the course of the videos, there's a couple different outfits. Again, I'm in yet another one. We are a few days into doing the project. I'm also wanting to share with you some of the good, but also the bad. So I think we may be done, or at least we're gonna call this part one of the kitchen tile process. One thing I really wanna say is these Tic Tac tiles are really great. They're easy to use, and they do look very nice. I will admit they were very heavy duty, definitely thick and durable. I was able to peel and stick on and off the wall several times, which you probably shouldn't do, but I was able to do it. It definitely is a great, inexpensive alternative if you don't want to do tile, if you're not sure if you want tile, or if maybe you are renting. Now I see the word renter friendly thrown around a lot. I don't know in the sense of renter friendly what that really entails. My opinion is I wouldn't call them renter friendly if you're thinking that you're going to be able to put them on and then peel them off and go when you leave. You will need to paint the walls again. So one of the biggest things I would recommend is checking with your landlord what the current paint color is so that you can put it back to the paint color when you move out and you take these tiles off, because they will peel the paint off. I've definitely learned that yesterday. The other thing that I really need your help with, so actually I'm gonna pop a quiz up here somewhere. If you could help me and let me know, should I continue this tile onto this wall or keep it here only? Or so let's say option one is keep it just on this one wall. Option two, continue it through on the second wall. Or option three is continue it through, but then also really put it all the way up high on this wall. I'm really not sure where to go with it, so I would love your opinion and your input. If you liked this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button. I really hope that it was helpful for you. Also, one other thing that I wanted to show you too before I let you go is this. So let me just take you right over here into a quick section for you. One thing that I noticed when we did this wall is, as much as I tried to have it match the butcher block, it just didn't. So I don't know how I went off on it, because what happens is I was using the level on the top and then on the bottom, and the butcher block is level, but then the top of the tile was level 2. So for some reason, it sort of did this, like you see right here, it kind of did this gradual increase. So I was able to fix it temporarily with just another layer down there. Does it look great? No, but I'll probably block that with the KitchenAid or something like that. So as you can see, the tile is not without its faults. I do think it's a great product. I really do. It's something I would do again. And honestly, even if I decided to change out the type of tile, I would use the Tic Tac tiles again. I truly do think that they have a lot of great options on their site, something that will absolutely cater to the style of just about everybody. So if you are looking to redo the tile or add a tile backsplash in your home or your apartment, but you just aren't ready to commit to actually paying the price for the tile, I would definitely check them out. We bought about 30 square feet worth of tiles. I have not used them all. I have one package, almost a full package left. But if I had done tile, that would have probably been, I spent $140. And I have leftovers, like I said, tile enough to do this wall. I probably would have spent probably $500 to $600 in tile just on this wall. And honestly, we would have paid someone to do it because I did not want to get into cutting tile. So it was certainly a cost savings for us after we just installed the new kitchen. So thank you so much for watching. Again, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that like. Also, make sure you click on the bell so you'll get a notification every time we post a new video. Hopefully it'll be something that interests you. Also, YouTube thinks that you will like this video, so I think you will too. And I will see you later. Have a great day, guys, and thanks for joining. Bye.